Hello, very good evening, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. I'm Rahul Shukla. I welcome you English Medium Study Channel under the guidance of respected Wasim sir. My dear students, comment on in comment box. How you all? Am I audible? Am I audible, dear students? Very good evening, dear Pooja, Prachi, SSC aspirant, Sri Singh, Sonu, Prakhar, Shivangi. Okay, very good evening. First of all, share this video. Share this video. Kalpana Shukla, very good evening, Kalpana. Prachi Yadav, very good evening. Am I audible? Okay, yes. Okay, Avnish. Kalpana, SSC aspirant. Okay, yes. Should I start? Are you ready? Are you ready? Should I start? Yes, sir. Okay, SSC aspirant. Okay, let's go. Question number 1 is waiting for you. This is your question number 1. Question number 1 is that functional segments of DNA are called option A codon, option B genes, option C chromatin, option D chromosomes. Answer please. Answer please, my dear students. Avnish Shukla, yes. Ready, Prachi? Okay. Okay, Sonu. Thank you, Sonu. Okay, share this video. Answer. Yes, Vinay Pathak. Answer. Write down the correct answer in live chat. What would be the correct answer? B. Kusum B. Okay. Sonu D. Okay. Shivam D. SSC chromosome. Okay. Sonu Kumar D. Shivam D. Vinay Pathak. Okay. Genes. Okay. Good. Roji codon. Okay. Rishikesh Yadav. Okay. Sir, do you want to say anything, Rishikesh? Chromosome. Okay. Shivam chromosome. Avnish Shukla chromosome. Okay. Option B. Okay. God bless you, Avnish. Okay. Gene. Okay. Very good. D. 100% D. Okay. Very good. SK official C. Genes. Vinay Pathak. Kamla Shankar Kuswaha. Okay. Okay, let's see what will be the correct answer. First of all, I will tell you what will be the correct answer, then I'll go through detail. Okay, first of all, what would the correct answer? Functional segment of DNA are called genes. Functional segment of DNA is called genes. Is it clear? Okay, go ahead. What is genes? Okay, genes is the segment of DNA. And what is DNA? DNA is found in cell. DNA is found in cell, especially nucleus. Nucleus have, suppose this is your nucleus. Nucleus have nuclear membrane. Nucleus have nuclear membrane. Okay, nucleus have nuclear membrane, and it's a figure of nucleus. This is your nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. Okay, and here is also a nucleolus. And thread-like structure. It has many thread-like structure, and thread-like structure is known as chromatin. And chromatin have thread-like structure. Thread-like structure. Thread like structure. Chromatin have a thread like, chromatin have a thread like structure. Is it clear? And it has a nucleic acid, nucleic acid, nucleic acid, nucleic acid. And there are two types of, number one is your DNA and number two is your RNA. DNA means, what is the full form of DNA? Write down in live chat what is the full form of DNA and what is the full form of RNA. Write down. I am watching your comment. Yes, Vinay Pathak, Watson and Crick. Antima Singh, B. Okay. Very good evening, Antima. Shivam, deoxyribose nucleic acid. Very good, my dear students. DNA. What is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribose. Deoxyribose nucleic acid, whereas RNA ribose nucleic acid, this is called RNA. And what about DNA? Deoxyribose nucleic acid. Is it clear? Okay, go ahead. One more question. DNA have double helix structure. DNA have double helix structure, but RNA have single helix structure. DNA, this is your DNA and this is your RNA. DNA have a double helix structure, double helix structure, whereas RNA have a single helix structure. Is it clear? Watson at Crick. Okay. Yes, this is your DNA, this is your RNA. And the segment, understand what is the meaning of segment? Segment is a sub part. Segment, it's a complete DNA, and this is the segment. This is the segment. Suppose this is a line, okay, from A to B. This is a line, you can say, from A to infinite point is going on, okay. But from A to B is a segment. A to B is a segment of line A, or you can say A to O, or you can say, don't go for infinite. If you opt for A to O, and AB is a segment. Is it clear? Similarly, segment is a par segment. Segment of DNA is called gene. And what is gene? Gene is transfer genetic character from one generation to another generation, from one generation to another generation, from one generation to another generation. Is it clear? Okay. For example, here, your hair, your color of your hair, your eyes, your height, your eyes, your hair. Okay. That is because of genes. Is it clear? Okay. Deoxyribose nucleic acid. Very good. Abhi Chauhan, Sonwani Babu, DNA ribonucleic. Very good. Sachin, Abhi, SSC aspirant. Very good, my dear students. Okay, great. Okay, go ahead with next question. Okay, this is your next question. Nitrogen fixing bacteria found in the root nodules of leguminous plants is option A, saprophytic, option B, parasitic, option C, symbiotic, and D, autotrophic. Answer please. What will be the correct answer? Write down in live chat. Dazzling Anand. Okay. Thank you, Anand. Answer. Okay. Vinay Pathak, what are you writing? Write down the correct answer. Saprophyte, Kirti Kumar Singh. Okay. Saprophytic. Okay. Roji, symbiotic. Shivam Shukla, B. Parasitic. Okay. Parasitic. Okay. Answer, please. Shikha Srivastava, parasitic. Shivam, Sachin. Okay. Good. SK official, Antima Singh, parasitic. Okay. Srishti, C. Dazzling Anand, A. Yuvraj, B. Shivam, parasitic. Okay. Good. Very good. Let's see. First of all, what will be the correct answer? The correct answer is your symbiotic. And what is your symbiotic? Nitrogen fixing bacteria found in the root nodules of leguminous plant. Which one? Leguminous plant is relation. That relation is known as symbiotic relation. And what is symbiotic relation? Listen carefully. Symbiotic relation, it is a mutual relation of mutual relation of two different species. Two different species, you can say. Okay, here there is a bacteria. There's a relation between bacteria and bacteria with leguminous plants. The plant kingdom is different, bacteria is different, both are in different species, and the one thing is that mutually benefited mutually benefited. This is the main thing. There is symbiotic relation. Relation is between two different species, and there should be a mutually beneficial of each other. Is it clear? Okay, so that is called symbiotic relation. I'm giving you another example. Is your lichen. Have you heard about lichen? Yes, lichen is also a symbiotic relation of algae and fungi. Symbiotic relation of algae and fungi. Is it clear? Okay, lichen. Algae prepare food because of chlorophyll, and fungi have a water. So that's why mutually benefit to each other. That this is called symbiotic relation. This is called symbiotic relation. This is called symbiotic relation. Is it clear? Okay, one thing more. Lichen is also a indicator of air pollution. Which pollution? Air pollution. And air pollution, what is air pollution? When the level of sulfur dioxide is increasing, when the level of sulfur dioxide, SO2 means sulfur dioxide, is increasing, it means it's an indication of air pollution. When air pollution will increase, lichen will decrease from that particular area. That's why lichen are the indicators of air pollution. Is it clear? Okay, one, have you heard about litmus? Have you heard about litmus paper? Yes, litmus paper is also a natural indicator. Litmus paper is also a natural indicator of acid and base. acid and base, acid and base. Okay, litmus paper, litmus paper, litmus paper, real color, real, or you can say in original color, its real color is in purple, but when you kept in acid, when you kept in base, its color changed. Litmus paper, okay, listen, what will be in a real color, in original form it's a purple color, but when you will put in acid, then color will change. Purple will turn into red, and when you will when you will put in base, then color will again change, and that it will turn into blue color. Which color? Blue color. That's why litmus paper is a indicator of, litmus paper is indicator of acid and base, acid and base. And litmus paper is obtained from, litmus paper is obtained from, litmus paper is obtained from lichen, or you can read it lichen also, lichen also. Is it clear, my dear students? Is it clear? Yes, Shivam, absolutely correct. It is act as an indicator. Yes, Chetan. Avnish, yes. Red, blue, yes. Very good. Yes, Dazzling. That's why I said you to attend my class. When you will attend my class regularly, slowly, your English and your knowledge about science will increase regularly. Okay. Not getting SSC aspirant. What you want to say? Okay. Go ahead with next question. Go ahead with next question. Okay, this is your next question. Besides carbohydrates, a major source of energy in our food is constituted by option A, proteins, option B, fats, option C, minerals, option D, vitamins. Yes, answer please, my dear students. Answer. I'm waiting. Very good evening, Himanshu. Krishna Kumar, hello. Hello, Krishna. Shikha, Kalpana, okay. Motivation Club, try to give the answer in live chat. Write down the correct answer. I'm waiting. Dear students, I'm waiting. Avnish, Motivation Club. B. Okay. Besides carbohydrate, a major source of energy in our food is constituted by. Okay. Anand B. Vinay, fats. Prachi, fats. Sachin D. Krishna B. Prachi, fats. Shikha B. Chetan. Yuvraj. Sonu, fats. Very good. Srishti Rai B. Okay, Himanshu B. Okay, very good, my dear students. You all have given absolutely correct answer. So the correct answer will be fats. Okay, the correct answer will be fats. Actually, carbohydrate, protein, fats, all these are known as complex food. Complex food, because digestion happens especially complex food, and it is also a member of macronutrients. Macronutrients, is it clear? Macronutrients. And the one thing more, carbohydrate, protein, fats, all these provide, all these provides energy, all these provides energy. But the thing is that carbohydrate provides instant energy. It provides instant energy, whereas fats produces maximum energy, which is approximately 2.5 times 2.5 times than 2.5 times than carbohydrate. Is it clear? Okay. 1 gram of oxidation of 1 gram of carbohydrate 1 gram of carbohydrate provides approximately 4.2 kilocalories, whereas 1 gram of fats provides approximately 9.2 kilocalories, which is 2.5 times maximum of carbohydrate. Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear students? Okay. Next. Is it clear? Okay. Proteins, fats, vitamins. Okay. Go ahead. Okay, answer me. Which I'm asking you, my dear students, I'm asking you another question. Listen, what I'm going to ask you. I'm asking you that which one is not a organic compound? Answer. Which one is not an organic compound? Option number one, protein, fats, minerals, vitamins. Yes, answer please. Answer please. My dear students, I'm waiting your answer. Motivation Club, try to give answer. 4.2 kilocalories. Very good, Sonu. Himanshu, 9.2. Very good, very good. Answer please. Which one is not an organic compound? Protein, fats, minerals, vitamins. Answer please. Yes, yes, dazzling Anand, absolutely correct. You are fighting against your interest. That's why, in real sense, you are the fighter. Vinay Pathak, fats, mineral. Answer, please. Mineral. Srishti Thakur Ayush, protein. Okay. Sono, minerals. Shivam, fats. Okay. What I asked you, is it clear? I asked you that which one is not an organic compound. Option one is protein, fats, minerals, and vitamins. Okay, I'm dividing you here. Classif types of types of nutrients. Types of nutrients on the basis of on the basis of organic on the basis of and inorganic organic and inorganic. Is it clear? Okay, listen carefully. Types of nutrients on the basis of organic and inorganic. Is it clear? Okay, how many types? Two types. Number one is your organic compound organic compound or you can say organic nutrients organic nutrients, and number two, inorganic nutrients inorganic nutrients inorganic nutrients. Is it clear? Okay, go ahead with answer. Organic nutrients, which one is organic nutrients? Carbohydrate. I'm writing here carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, carbohydrate, protein, carbohydrate, protein, fats, or in a simple words, you can write down lipids as well as vitamins. All these are organic nutrients. And what about inorganic nutrients? You can say minerals, minerals, and next one, water is also a inorganic nutrients. Inorganic nutrients. Is it clear? Okay. Shivam Shukla, fats. Okay. I share you class in all India. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Anand. Let's go ahead with next question. Yes, question number 4. Question number 4. Write down. What will be the correct answer? Among the given nutrients, milk is a poor source of. Milk is a poor source of. Option number 1, calcium. Option number 2, protein. Option number C, carbohydrate. Option number D, vitamin C. Yes, answer please. Answer please, my dear students. Shivam Shukla, fats. Sachin, Shikha, minerals. Answer please. Which one will be the correct answer? Write down the answer number 4. Answer please. Protein. Okay. Thakur, Ayush, Prachi, Shikha, Sonu, Himanshu. Carbohydrate. Protein. Vitamin C. Option 3. Varun. C. Okay. Sonu. Protein. Vinay. Vitamin. Vitamin. Okay. Carbohydrate. Prachi. Protein. Carbohydrates. Okay. Option C. Right answer. C is the right answer. Carbohydrate. Okay. Vitamin C. Protein. Dazzling Anand. Okay. Okay. No problem, Anand. You can also guess if you don't know. Okay. Sonwani Babu. Vitamin C is the right answer, sir. Okay. Shivam Kalpana Shukla. Protein. Himanshu C, vitamin C. Okay, good. My dear student, okay, let's see what will the correct answer. Listen once again, understand the question. Among the given nutrients, milk is a poor source. Listen, it's a not good, it's a poor source of calcium, protein, carbohydrate, vitamin C. It's a poor source of vitamin C. Okay. Next, vitamin C. So, what is a good source of? It is good source of calcium, protein, carbohydrate. Listen, milk is a one type of colloid. Next question. Milk is a one type of colloid. And what is colloid? What is colloid? Write down in comment box what is colloid. Those substance or those materials which seems as a homogeneous which seems as a homogeneous, but in real sense the nature is heterogeneous, that is known as colloid. It means colloid have a double role. Double role means it act as a homogeneous as well as a heterogeneous. Homogeneous, it means same. It looking like a same. For example, milk. Homogeneous means white color. White color of milk, it seems as a white color, that's why you can say homogeneous. But what about heterogeneous? Heterogeneous means it is a mixture of different things. Which different things? Answer. Milk have a carbohydrate. And what is the which type of carbohydrate? Lactose. milk have a lactose. That's why milk, the taste of milk is slightly sweet, slightly sweet. That is because of lactose. And what is lactose? Lactose is a disaccharide. What is lactose? Lactose is a disaccharide. Disaccharide means made up of two saccharides. It means lactose is a combination. Lactose is a combination of glucose and galactose. Glucose and galactose. Is it clear? Okay, go ahead. Milk have also a protein. Milk have also a protein. Which protein? Casein protein. Which protein? Casein protein. Casein is a protein which is found in milk, and the white color of milk is due to casein. Is it clear? Okay, except of that, mineral is also found. Which mineral? Calcium. And the name of mineral is your calcium. Is it clear? Milk have a calcium. Milk have a protein, casein. Milk have a carbohydrate. Which type of carbohydrate? Lactose. Which type of carbohydrate? Lactose. Due to lactose, the taste of milk is slightly sweet. Okay, lactose is a type of disaccharide carbohydrate. Okay, and lactose is made up of glucose plus galactose. Is it clear? Okay, one thing also I would like to explain on the basis of saccharide. On the basis of saccharide. And what is saccharide? Saccharide is a unit of carbohydrate. Unit of carbohydrate. Unit of carbohydrate. What is the unit of carbohydrate? What you will answer? My dear student? Unit of carbohydrate is your saccharide. On the basis of saccharide, there are three kinds of carbohydrate. Option number 1 is your monosaccharide. Monosaccharide. I'm writing here monosaccharide. Next one, di or bisaccharide, and third one is your polysaccharide. Which one? Polysaccharide. Is it clear? Number 1 is your monosaccharide, di or bisaccharide. Third one is your polysaccharide. SSS is representing your saccharide, and saccharide is the unit of carbohydrate. Okay, examples. Monosaccharide example: glucose, fructose, galactose. All these are the example of monosaccharide. Is it clear? Okay, next one, disaccharide. Disaccharide, example of disaccharide. Write down in the live chat example of disaccharide. My dear students, write down. Disaccharide: lactose, maltose, sucrose, maltose, lactose. All these are the example of di or bisaccharide. Next one, polysaccharide. Write down in live chat example of polysaccharide. Option: starch, glycogen, cellulose, chitin. All these are the examples of polysaccharide. Is it clear? You can also take a screenshot of this because it's a very, very, very important information regarding carbohydrate. Is it clear? Okay, polysaccharide. Himanshu, monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide, oligo bhi. Yes, yes, yes. Varun Mishra, di or bisaccharide. You can also call it like a oligosaccharide. Which one? Oligosaccharide. Is it clear, Varun? Sucrose. Very good. Okay, Anand, you can take a screenshot. Shivam, lactose, maltose, sucrose. Very good. Shivam, Varun, Avnish, Sachin. Okay, very good. You all have a given correct answer. Okay, go ahead with next question. Go ahead with next question. Yes, this is your next question. Cereals are a rich source of option A, starch, option B, glucose, option C, fructose, option D, maltose. Answer please. Answer. Antima Singh, lactose, maltose, sucrose. Very good, Antima. Answer. Answer of this question. I'm waiting, I'm waiting. My dear students, answer fast. Starch. Starch, okay. Kirti Kumar Singh, very good. Kirti. Vinayak Pathak, starch. Starch, glycogen, cellulose. Antima, I'm asking you the answer of fifth question. Chetan Yadav, starch. Thakur Ayush Singh, starch. Very good. Srishti, very good. Shivam Shukla, okay. Tarun Sharma, A. Very good, very good. You all have given a correct answer. Okay. Cereals are a rich source of starch. Cereals means, for example, you can say wheat, wheat, or you can say rice, or all these are the good source of starch. Is it clear? Okay. Next one. Glucose. Glucose is also known as blood sugar. Blood sugar. And glucose provides instant energy. Instant energy. Instant energy. And glucose is an example of monosaccharide. Monosaccharide. Is it clear? Fructose. What is fructose? Fructose, sweetness of sweetness of any fruit. Sweetness of any fruit is due to fructose. Is due to fructose. Okay. And next question. Fructose is a sweetest natural carbohydrate. Fructose is the sweetest natural carbohydrate. Natural carbohydrate. Is it clear? Whenever you intake fruit and when the taste is sweet of any fruit is due to fructose. Is it clear? Maltose. And what about maltose? Listen, maltose is found in malt, and in a simple term you can say seed. Okay. Diamond, or you can say almond. Almond, have you heard about almond? Yes, you have heard about almond. Almond is also known as almond is also known as maltose. Almond have a maltose. Okay. And maltose is a combination of glucose plus glucose is called maltose. Is it clear? Okay. Almond sugar. Maltose is also known as almond sugar. Almond sugar. Okay. Go ahead. Which one is the natural sweetest carbohydrate? The answer is your fructose. Is it clear? And what about glucose? Glucose is known as blood sugar. Why we call it blood sugar? Because it is found in our blood. Okay. Glucose provides instant energy, and glucose is an example of monosaccharide. Very good. Go ahead with next question. Okay, this is the next question. Anemia occurs due to the deficiency of option A riboflavin, option B thiamine, option C folic acid, option D niacin. Yes, write down the correct answer in live chat. Sonwani, don't know? Okay, don't worry, Sonwani, I explained. Yes, Shivam Shukla, very good. Sachin, okay, answer please. Answer please, what will be the correct answer? Riboflavin, answer please. Answer please. I'm waiting you, my dear student. D. Sachin C. Srishti B. Om Gupta D. Himanshu B. Chetan C. Prachi thiamine. Okay. Antima Singh thiamine. Himanshu Shivam Prachi option B. B. Okay. 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 Varun is guessing. Akanksha folic acid. Okay. Sonu B, B, Tarun Sharma B. Okay, good, good, good. Very good, my dear student. Okay, now listen. Riboflavin, thiamine, folic acid, niacin. Okay, first of all, riboflavin, it's a folic acid, chemical name of vitamin B9. Which one? B9. Okay, riboflavin, thiamine is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1. Riboflavin is the chemical name of vitamin B2. Niacin, chemical name of niacin, vitamin B3. Is it clear? Now guess what will be the correct answer? Riboflavin, vitamin B1, thiamine, very good. B2, riboflavin, very good. Folic acid, B9, niacin, vitamin B3. Okay. Answer please. Answer please. Very good, my dear student. Okay, insufficient iron. Yes, yes. Anemia means deficiency of RBC, deficiency of blood. B12, Avnish Shukla. Option is not here, B12. Okay, and the chemical name of B12 is cyanocobalamin. Okay, yeah. So, which one will be correct answer? Folic acid. Folic acid is the correct answer. I taught you about blood vitamin. I taught you about blood vitamin. And how many blood vitamin? There are three. Which one? B6, B6, B9, B6, B9, B12. Okay, if there will be any deficiency of vitamin B6, B9, B12, it means, and the disease will be occur anemia, which will be anemia. And what is anemia? Anemia is the deficiency of blood. And which blood? especially RBC, deficiency in RBC. RBC means HB. HB means hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is representing means iron. Which type of iron? Ferrous iron. Is it clear? Okay. B6, B9, B12. Is it clear? Sonwani A, B9. Very good, Avnish. My answer is right. Yes, Arun, you are always right. Rajesh Chauhan, B9, vitamin, blood vitamin. Okay. Now you tell me deficiency. Deficiency. Deficiency disease. Tell me the deficiency disease. Vitamin B2. Deficiency disease. Deficiency disease. Deficiency disease. B2, what will be? Cheolysis. Cheolysis. Which one? Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2, what will be? Cheolysis. Okay. Next one, vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, you know very well, very. Vitamin B3, vitamin B9, anemia. Vitamin B3, pellagra. Very good, Vitamin B1, berry. Vitamin B1, berry. Vitamin B9, anemia. Okay. Vitamin B3, pellagra. This is your deficiency disease, and all vitamins are soluble in water. Is it clear? All vitamin B2, B1, B9, B3 soluble in water. Is it clear? Okay. And all these are the members of B complex. Which complex? B complex. As you know very well, B complex have how many members? 8 members. B1, B2, B3, B5, B7, B9, B12. Is it clear? Okay. Tell me, which vitamin is known as biotin? Which vitamin is known as biotin? Answer please. Which vitamin is known as biotin? Answer. What will be the correct answer? I am waiting. What will be the correct answer? Answer please. Thakur Ayush, pellagra is a one type disease where rashes occurs in our skin. Rashes occurs in our skin. Okay. There is a infection. There is a one type infection in our skin. Antima, berry. Yes. Himanshu, 8. Hyperemia. Okay. All vitamins soluble or water. Yes or no? Yes. Answer. Biotin. Which vitamin is known as biotin? Answer. Which vitamin is known as biotin? Biotin. And the name of that vitamin is vitamin B7. What will be? B7. Okay. Go ahead. Yes, next one. Which of the following is the sweetest sugar? Sweetest sugar or sweetest natural sugar? Sweetest natural sugar. I can understand. You will give the correct answer, especially this question. I know. Vinay Pathak. No ideas. Try to give the answer. Vinay Pathak, okay? I taught you. Answer. Akanksha, very good. Kirti, very good. Avnish, B7, very good. Antima, Kalpana, Sonu Kumar, B complex, B7. Shivangi, okay. Glucose, listen. Which of the following is the sweetest natural sugar? Natural, listen carefully. Natural sugar. Fructose, Sonwani Babu, sucrose. Himanshu Maurya, B Thakur, Tarun Sharma, Kalpana, Divyanshi. Okay, very good, my dear student. Very good. Fructose. Akriti Singh. Akriti have also given correct answer. Very good, very good. Yes. So, listen, which of the following is the sweetest sugar, especially sweetest natural sugar? And the correct answer will be your fructose. Which one is your fructose? Fructose is the sweetest natural sugar. Sweetest natural sugar. Okay. Maltose is a combination of glucose plus glucose. Glucose plus glucose. Which type of saccharide? Di, or you can say bisaccharide. What about fructose? Fructose is an example of monosaccharide. Which saccharide? Monosaccharide. Glucose is an example of monosaccharide. Sucrose is an example of di or bisaccharide. Sucrose is an example of di or bisaccharide. It is made up of sucrose is made up of glucose plus fructose. Glucose plus fructose. Is it clear? Okay. And sucrose is also known as table sugar. It is also known as table sugar. And the formula of table sugar is C12H22O11. That's why it is known as sugar. It is known as jaggery sugar. It is known as jaggery sugar. Jaggery sugar. Jaggery sugar. Which one is known as? Sucrose is known as table sugar. Jaggery sugar. Is it clear? Okay. So this is that. Okay. Go ahead with next question. Question number 8. The part of plant body which develops from radical is root, stem, leaf, flower. Okay. It's question of botany. Answer please. Answer please. Fructose. Sonu Kumar. Fructose. Yes. Yes, Sonu, I seen your answer. You are absolutely right. Yes, Antima. Fructose is disaccharide. Shivam, di and bisaccharide. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good, my dear student. Answer. Answer of this question. The part of plant body which develops from radical. Answer please. Root, stem, leaf, flower. Artificial, you can't say artificial, Sonwani. Akriti, root. Shivangi, leaf. Shivam, root. Okay. Okay, don't worry, Ayush. I will tell you. Stem. Akanksha. Okay. Akriti, root. Very good. So listen, what will be the correct answer? The correct answer, the part of plant body which develops from radical. R, root, R, radical. Okay. Radical. Root. Okay. And what about stem? Plumule. And the name of that part is your plumule. Is it clear? The part of plant body which develops from radical, that is called root. The part of body that develops from plumule is called stem. And what about leaf? What about leaf? Leaf starts developing from nodes, and nodes are found in stem. Nodes are found in stem, nodes and internodes. Okay, flower is the reproductive unit of reproductive unit of plant. Reproductive unit of plant. Why we call it reproductive unit of plant? Because reproductive organ of plant are found in flower. Okay, tell me the name of reproductive organs of the plant. Flower. Flower have two types: unisexual, bisexual. Unisexual contains single type of reproductive organs. It may be male reproductive organs of the plant, female reproductive organs of the plant. And what about bisexual flower, which have both kind of reproductive organs of the plant, male reproductive and female reproductive. Okay, go ahead. Male reproductive. Male plants reproductive organ. Male reproductive organs. Female reproductive organs. Write down the names of male reproductive organs and female reproductive organs of plant. Answer please. Write down in live chat. Okay, male reproductive organs of plant. Listen, I'm also making a figure here. This is known as filament. Filament. I'm writing here properly. Filament. This is this part, this outer cover part is known as your anther. And this anther protect the pollen grain. Is it clear? And this is known as androecium, Okay, what about female reproductive organ name? Gynoecium. Which one known as gynoecium? Androecium, gynoecium. Androecium have three subparts. How many? Three subparts. Which one? Pollen grain, filament, anther. But what about female reproductive organs? Female reproductive organs is known as gynoecium. It has also four subparts. How many subparts? Four subparts. Number one, this is your stigma. This one is your style. This is your ovary. This is your ovary. This is your ovule. Stigma, style, ovary, ovule. All these are the four subparts of female reproductive organs. Is it clear? And which one is the main? Next question. Which one is the main female reproductive organ? Ovary. Ovary is the main female reproductive organ. Okay. And what about male? What about male main reproductive organ? Pollen grain. Pollen grain is the main reproductive organ of plant. Is it clear? Okay. Is it clear? Except roots, all the parts of plant like flowers, leaves of fruit grow on the stem. Yes. Okay. Go ahead with next question. Okay. Ninth question. Write down the correct answer. Pollen grain, anther, male, stigma, still ovary, ovule. Very good, Akanksha. Devyanshi Anther, pollen and filament. Very good, Devyanshi. Avnesh Shukla, ovary. Okay. Okay, next question. Adventitious roots are found in. Adventitious roots are found in monocot, dicot, angiosperm, gymnosperm. What will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? Adventitious root. Adventitious roots. You can say monocot. Okay, there are two types of main roots. Number one is your mono tap root. Tap root. There are two types of root. Number one, tap root. Number two is your adventitious root. Adventitious root. Adventitious root. And tap root is known as, in a simple term, you can say dicot. Dicot. Adventitious root, in a simple term, you can say monocot. Which one? Monocot. When seeds easily divide into two parts, that is called dicot. When seeds have a single parts which can't be divided easily in two parts, that is called monocot. For example, from example, gram. Example, gram. Okay. Have you seen about gram? Gram, and when you will peel it, and the gram easily divided into two parts. The best example is that pulses of gram. Is it clear? Is example of dicot. And what about monocot? Rice. Rice an example of monocot. Wheat is an example of monocot. Is it clear? So adventitious roots are found in monocot. Okay, go ahead. This is the last question of the day. Answer please. Answer please, my dear student. Akanksha monocot, Sachin, okay. Chandrakant, okay. Antima Singh, A. Okay, answer. Very good. Very good, my dear student. Answer. Answer please. I'm waiting your answer of this last question. Last question of the day. In coriander, the useful parts are roots and leaves, leaves and flowers, leaves and dried fruits, flowers and dried fruits. Coriander. It is, and I hope you have heard about coriander. Coriander comes under spices. Okay. Answer please. Antima Singh, A. Okay. Chandrakant Singh, monocot. Answer. Write down the answer of 10th question. If you really love this session, please hit the like button and share with your all friends. I'm waiting. Srishti A, Tarun C, Ankit C, Chandrakant C. Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Tarun, Ankit, Chandrakant, Sachin, Antima, Himanshu, Sonu. Okay, you all have given correct answer. Very good, dear students. Okay, in coriander, the useful part are leaves. And whenever you start cooking, especially when you are cooking vegetables, okay, or pulses, most of the time you uses the leaves of coriander. And whenever it dried, you also use as a dried fruits. Is it clear? So what will be the correct answer? Leaves and dried fruits. Is it clear? This is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you will enjoy the session, and you enjoyed this session. I know you enjoyed the session. Thank you for coming in this lovely session, and I feel very happy whenever you reply the correct answer of this question. And most of the time you tried well. That's why I'm very happy. Thank you for today. See you tomorrow at right time from 8 to 9 p.m. Thank you for today. Take care of yourself. Good night. Take care. Thank you.